Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I'll show you how to install Node.js on your Windows operating system. So first you need to go to favorite browser and to type over here Node.js download. So that will show you nodejs.org. Just simply go to their official site. Once when you're here, you will see this get Node.js option, and here we have a drop down. You will see the current version is version 25.2.1 at the time of making of this video. But I'll recommend you not to download this current version. Always download the LTS edition, that is 24.11.1 at the time of making of this video. So I'm going to recommend you to download the LTS edition. So whichever version it is, always download latest LTS edition. So that Node.js version will be supported by Angular or React or Next.js, whichever JavaScript framework you'd like to use. So it's going to support that LTS edition. Always remember that. So click on LTS and click on Windows installer. Immediately it's going to start downloading our MSI. It's directly downloaded. Just simply click on that installer and click on next over here. You can minimize your browser. So these are all license agreement. Read it and click on accept. Click on next. Everything is fine. Click on next, again next, again next. Ready to be installed. Click on install. It's going to ask you for administrative privileges. Click on yes, and our installation for Node.js is rightly begun. So completing Node.js setup, just simply click on finish. So now that our Node.js is rightly installed, let's verify it. Go to search and type cmd to open your command prompt, and within command prompt, if you just simply type node space dash dash version and just simply hit enter, we are going to get that exact node version that we just now installed, that LTS edition of 24.11.1. that is what we have installed, right? So this version is rightly installed and that is showing on our command prompt. So if you are getting this, then all that basically means you have successfully installed Node.js. So that's how you install Node.js. Please do check out our cool Python project playlist. So all these videos are completely free and detailed source code are also available on our official geekyscript.com website. So to check out all these different videos including WordPress, I'm sure you are going to love them. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.